Every single day you walk past your fence without realizing it could be most beautiful part of your backyard. That plain, boring fence is literally begging you to hang something, grow something and bring back to life. Your fence can give you privacy, fresh food, fragrance, beauty, and a garden that your neighbors will truly enjoy. Welcome to Luxury Home Decor. Let us show you 10 fenced garden ideas that will completely transform your backyard today.
Number 1, plant type based fence garden ideas. The type of plant you choose completely decides how your fence garden looks and feels every single day. Climbing vines like jasmine, clematis, ivy, and morning glory grow upward and beautifully cover your fence. Fragrant plants like lavender, gardenia, and roses fill your backyard with the most wonderful natural perfume. You can also mix flowers, herbs, shrubs, and succulents together for a full layered fence garden look. Choosing the right plant type is truly the most important first step in any fence garden project. Number 2, decorative fence garden ideas. A fence garden is not just about plants because the right decorations make it truly magical and special. String lights and fairy lights wrapped around your fence and plants create the coziest and warmest evening glow. Add decorative hanging baskets filled with trailing petunias, ferns, or colorful flowers at different heights. Solar lanterns, outdoor mirrors, birdhouses, macrame hangers, and wall art all add personality to your fence. A small wall fountain placed against the fence adds a peaceful water sound that elevates the entire garden. Number 3, fence material-based ideas. Believe it or not, the material of your fence actually decides which garden style will look best on it. Wooden fences look stunning with flower boxes, climbing plants, rustic shelves, and hanging terracotta pots. Metal and wrought iron fences pair beautifully with climbing roses, jasmine, modern planters, and decorative baskets. Bamboo fences work perfectly with tropical plants, ferns, natural stone borders, and soft lantern lighting. Always match your planting style to your fence material for a result that looks polished and well planned. Number 4. Garden style based ideas. Your fence garden should match the overall personality and style of your entire outdoor living space. A cottage-style fence uses roses, lavender, daisies, and hydrangeas for a soft and romantic look. A modern minimalist fence garden uses clean lines, structured greenery, simple pots, and neutral calm colors. For something bold and exotic, a tropical fence garden with ferns, palms, and banana plants looks incredible. In 2026, the most popular trending styles are modern minimalist, bohemian, and lush tropical fence gardens. Number 5. Space-saving fence garden ideas. A small backyard should never stop you from creating a truly beautiful and productive fence garden space. Vertical planters stacked on the fence let you grow flowers, herbs, and small plants without using floor space. Pocket planters, hanging pots, wall shelves, and railing baskets are all perfect space-saving fence garden solutions. A mounted wooden pallet on the fence works brilliantly as a multi-slot planter for herbs and succulents. With the right vertical setup, even the smallest fence can hold an impressive and lush garden display. Number 6. Privacy fence garden ideas. If you want more privacy in your backyard, the right fence garden can solve that problem naturally. Tall hedges like boxwood, laurel, and privet planted along the fence create a full green privacy wall. Bamboo plants and ornamental grasses like pampas grass grow tall and thick very quickly and naturally. You can also use a trellis above your fence and train climbing vines to fill every empty gap. Layer tall shrubs behind colorful flowers in front for a privacy screen that also looks absolutely gorgeous. Number 7. DIY fence garden ideas. You do not need a big budget to create a fence garden that looks creative and completely beautiful. An old wooden pallet mounted on the fence makes a perfect rustic planter for herbs and small flowers. Recycle tin cans, plastic bottles, mason jars, and old boots as quirky and charming fence plant pots. Old rain gutters attached horizontally along the fence make wonderful long narrow planters for herbs or lettuce. DIY fence gardens are fun, budget-friendly, and always give your backyard a unique and personal handmade character. Number 8. Low-maintenance fence garden ideas. Not everyone has hours to spend gardening, and these fence garden ideas are designed just for you. Succulents and cactus plants in wall planters need very little water and almost zero daily attention or care. Evergreen shrubs stay green all year long and only need occasional trimming to keep their shape looking neat. Self-watering planters attached to the fence take care of watering so you never have to worry or forget. Native plants, ornamental grasses, and drought-tolerant plants like lavender and agave are also perfect low-effort choices. Number 9. Functional fence garden ideas. Your fence garden can do so much more than just look beautiful from a distance every single day. Grow herbs like mint, basil, coriander, and rosemary on fence shelves right next to your outdoor kitchen. Use the fence to support fruiting vines like passion fruit, grapes, or kiwi on a strong trellis. Add hooks, pegboards, or shelves on the fence to store small garden tools and keep your space tidy. Plant pollinator-friendly flowers near the fence to attract bees and butterflies that help your whole garden thrive. So there you have it, 10 beautiful and practical fence garden ideas to completely upgrade your backyard space. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Home Decor for more amazing ideas every single week.